My name is Tunisa Matsedik-Qira. I am an Uyghur. Recently, so many videos are posted in TikTok by the Chinese officials and by other people, which is about Uyghur girls are forced to marry Han Chinese men. What is the difference between forced marriage and rape? As we know, China has initiated one-child policy a long time ago. Ratio between Han Chinese men and women has a huge gap. Chinese government tries to use Uyghur genocide to fill this gap, as well as using official advertisement that gives away if Han Chinese man marries Uyghur girl, gives to Han Chinese men free housing, free car, cash, and free farmland. Absolutely, in front of these huge benefits, no one asks why Chinese government gives me this huge benefit. No one asks in China. When Uyghur woman refused to marry Han Chinese man, as we know, she and her entire family are sent to the concentration camps, and they never able to come out alive. As Uyghur, we all know and we understand this pain. If you are Uyghur in Uyghurs' own land in East Turkistan, it considered to be crime by the Chinese Communist Party. Chinese Communist Party use Uyghurs' organ, hair, their labor, everything we have to make huge benefit, huge money for themselves. According to research report, China's demand for the domestic hair product has increased from 7 billion Chinese yuan in 2018, and 2019 it increases 67 billion yuan. And timing of increase, the construction location of this factory and so on, it overlaps with the mass restraint of Uyghurs by the Chinese Communist Party from 2017. If you think about the population density, long hair of Uyghur women who have been detained in large quantities, Uyghur women who are bolded at the first day of the detention, and you will able to imagine what's going on exactly in East Turkistan for Uyghur people, and why this company making a huge benefit, and you will able to imagine this kind of situation right now. Chinese Communist Party is using planned forced slavery labor, and they may continue to do it as we all keep quiet and try to escape telling the truth. This hair company name is Howlin, and this Chinese Communist Party not only selling hair but also they use Uyghurs organ, use Uyghurs in their medical experiment lab, and this horrible practice should be banned from the entire world community. We have a lot of evidence, and then you can see all the media, TikTok, even it's Facebook also, you can see a lot of evidence, a lot of testimony in the other social media. Uyghur people holding their family members and then giving testimony about their missing family members. And this is so heartbroken. I ask all of you, stand up with Uyghur people together, because we are all together. And we have to stand up together. We have to fight with Chinese Communist Party. And we have to fight ending of Chinese Communist Party. And please ban and please boycott Chinese product, whichever made in China. Thank you.